What is up, Effing Outdoors? It's only the third time I've had to do this because I'm retarded today. But back at it again in the kayaks, trying to get on some of these largemouth bass. I'm also trying to test out a theory of mine. I'll explain that at the end of the video if things work out the way I want them to. But we're gonna throw some jigs, some chatterbaits, some Texas rigs, some stuff like that, and see if we can't get on some decent sized fish out of here. I caught some pretty good ones the last time I was here. So go down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me some comments, let me know what you think. Turn them dangalongs on so when I upload you get notified, and you can go right to it and do it to it. So Gino's doing hot laps around me.
Screenshot.
So stick with us. Here we go. Big ass lake, dude. It's a big ass lake. Big ass cranes. Flock of them. Yeah. Can hurt a deer. I don't know what it is. Is it? I just missed one. Couldn't figure out what was going on, dude. He swam all the way underneath my boat with my line. Yeah. These freaking wads of bait fish are just crazy. Got him. Greenfish. Well, there's one, Gino. Chatter. out in the middle, casting it through all these frickin' minnows. Got him. Oh, dude, that was a good fish. Got him. What the hell is that? Catfish? Yeah. What? Well, don't over reel. That's a catfish, dude. What is it? Don't reel no more. Got him on a jig. Oh, it ain't that big of a bass. Yeah, a little 3-pounder. 3-pounder. On what kind of jig is that? That little Ned rig thing?
Yeah. With that little minnow crawler you used to use. Just a little fucking jig.
Nice. Well, let that fucker come off. You better get a picture of that one, dude. That might be your PB. Another 3-pounder. It's a fucking short fish, dude. Fat as hell, but short. Huh? 3-pounder. It's a 3-pounder. Now just hold it like this. Put your thumb in its mouth and hold it out like that. Like in front of you. Yeah, but a little more comfortable if you put your thumb in its mouth. There you go. All right. Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. Got one. He ain't tiny. It's a good one, dude. It's a real good one. Come here, fucker. Yeah. Guess what I caught that on? Scrounger. Big ass scrounger. Dude, that's a toad. No, minnow. Same minnow I've been using on the chatterbait. Huh. All right, just got back to the house, got everything unpacked. So we went to that conservatory that me and my brother and my sister-in-law went to that one time, and I caught them pretty decent fish. And back in that back corner there was a little creek. I pulled it up on Google Earth, and the creek wrapped around and went to, on Google Earth it didn't show it going to the lake, but I wanted to see how far up in it went to see if I could drag my kayak to that lake. And so we got back up in there, and we found it takes you all the way to the lake. It was a pretty cool exploration. But yeah, we didn't wreck them. The theory I was talking about was high tide. I've been paying attention to high tide and small bodies of water just to see if it makes a difference in how they bite and when they bite, and it actually does. I mean, I'm finding that like an hour before high tide and an hour after high tide and right in the middle, fish seem to be biting a little bit better. I don't know if I'm just crazy or if this is a known scientific fact for fishing and I just don't know about, but I just wanted to pass that along with you guys. Do me a favor, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Make sure you share this. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at F It Outdoors. And Pond Slayers Plastics. Every time I put this outfit on, I wind up catching some decent fish. So go check them out, PondSlayersPlastics.com. And yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Like always, stay F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed it'll be a lot better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.